Hello everyone, welcome to Anything Blockchain. In today's episode, we'll be handling a specific error, and that error message is what you can see here. Whenever you want to build or deploy your starknet project and you are greeted with this particular error. So, what is this error message? The error message you are greeted with, yes, is the method span. You can see it here. Method span could not be called on type, call array span, call failed 252. So if you have this error message, which will be shown from the description, then how do you solve this kind of error message where you want to build your Cairo starknet smart contract? Please, if today is your first time, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We want you to like this video and also go to other videos and share it with other blockchain development platforms. We do full stack blockchain solutions. So first of all, let's look at this error again. You can see it here, error. Let me zoom it. Alright, so you can see method span could not be called on type, call array. So the candidate ArrayTrait span inference failed with type mismatch and it's on call array span. So when you see this kind of error, most people you try, and I found out that there is little or nothing much about this error online. So but I was able to solve this error, and I'm going to give you the trick to solve the error. The reason you are getting this error is simply the fact that your manifest, which is your scarb.toml, is actually lacking some will I use it dependencies, not necessarily dependencies, the libraries actually to actually compile your code based on the version you are running. So as you can see here, this is our scarb.toml, and we have the starknet version to be 2.4.1. so if this is our starknet version, then but what I currently have from my system is my scarb version, Cairo version is version 2.6.3. So let me zoom in again so we can see it. So you can see what I already have. So you now see that it doesn't tally. So my scarb and Cairo version does not tally. My scarb version does not tally with my starknet. So, and I learned that we have breaking changes from Cairo 2.5.0, that there are breaking changes. So since we are using Open Zeppelin 0.8.1, it does not actually go hand in hand with any Cairo version of above starknet version of that is the Cairo compiler for starknet for 2.5.0. So I just understood this, and the next thing that I had to do was to now download this specific compiler and scarb version so that I can also have the Cairo to compile. So you can see where the download took place. I hope, let me move this up. Yeah. So I had to do my scarb version to show it 6.64. Then I have to use my ASDF version manager to install scarb version 2.4.1. So you can see the download. So after downloading version 2.4.1, so I can now check my scarb version now. You can see it here. And it's showing me my current scarb version is what? Version 2.4.1. So my old scarb version is version 2.64, and my new scarb version is version 2. Okay, downloaded here. Now my new scarb version is what? Version 2.4.1. So this is what you need to do. But sometimes when you download this new one, it doesn't actually work. It doesn't actually overwrite the existing. So use your ASDF version manager, like I did here. I use the ASDM version manager here. Scarb version is version 2.6.4. So when I use this ASDF global scarb 2.41, the version manager changed from 2.6.4 to 2.4.1. Once you do that, you can see your scarb version is actually scarb version. You can see it's giving me 2.4.1. So if you want to change again, because at this very point the version manage is very, very important. If I now, since I now have two versions of scarb in my system, I can use the ASDF to change between version. Probably I might be working on a project that use version 2.6 or any other version 2.5. I can just install and use my ASDF global scarb 2.6.4. Once I do that, it has changed. So if I say scarb version, you can now see now currently the version is 2.4. So since the project I'm currently working on with OpenZeppelin 0.81 uses the Cairo version of 2.41, I need to use the version manager to remain on that lane so that the code can be compiled. It should be compiled. If not, it will throw that error. So I have to go back and change the global scarb using my ASDF version manager to change it to 2.41. So once I do that, check my version, scarb version, you can now see that I am having 2.41. So this tutorial actually does two things. The first thing is to help you solve the error in question, which is as a result of wrong version of scarb or Cairo compilation tool. The second one is the ability to help you to understand that you can use ASDF as a version manager to actually change versions of scarb so that you'll be able to run various Cairo projects in different versions without actually having that hassle. So once you go check the compiler version from your scarb.toml, once you know the version, you can, if you don't have it already installed, you can download it, and after download it, use your ASDF to actually move. So this is what we have done. I believe that this tutorial has helped someone. So, and as you can see, I can now build my project. If I now say scarb build, so you can see now my scarb build is building my project, and that is it, finished, released in 10 seconds. and that is it. So if this actually helped you, please make sure that you evangelize this YouTube channel to others. Thanks to Starknet for the Stark Hack Hackathon currently going on. Use this and become a guru in Starknet blockchain development. Thank you and see you in the next solution video.